starting to lose your hair. You want a doctor who really cares, who will get you the results you need from your very first surgery.
The best part of having the procedure is that, except for the videos I've done here, no one knows. You know, my wife knows, my parents know, and that's pretty much it. And none of my clients know. Changed my life. I can't point to any other single thing that impacts your confidence more than male pattern baldness. You know?
He's the man.
So here is the back of the head, and again, this is it 8 years after FUE. This is when FUE was just beginning to happen, and as you can see, the healing is seamless. So this is just a case and example trying to highlight, you know, what naturally happens over time with a transplant. Over time, because of the loss of the pre-existing hair, native hair in the area, it's getting thinner. So you can see here, hairline is good, temple points, everything looks excellent. And you know, if the hair is combed properly, it doesn't show what's going on, but we're actually doing this deliberately to highlight this point. You can see where the original hairline, natural hairline, ended, because there's been some recession from this point onwards. And what you're seeing from that point forward is all transplanted. Same thing goes all the way to the temple and temple points, which are very youthful, where you can see now where this deficiency is beginning to show. And this obviously will require another transplant to kind of blend them together again. And the timeline we're talking about here is 8 years. So it's taken 8 years for this to manifest. And you know, maybe you can carry on for another year or two, but at some point it may become clear that there is a kind of a departure between the old hairline and the new hairline, and at that point you can fix it. But this is what you should expect, folks, when you do a transplant, that it's never forever. Sometimes you might just have to come in and do a touch-up. Do you remember something in all these 8 years, one singular event or a few events that just puts this in perspective, the advantage or benefit of,
you know, you transplant. You see your family every holiday, right? You know, so you'll get together for, you know, Thanksgiving or Christmas, and yeah, you know, it's like I see my older brother and my younger brother, and you know, I know what would be if I hadn't had a transplant. You know, they both have you know, the receding hairline, and especially, you know, reminds me that the loss from the middle is nature continuing its, you know, attack.
All right, well, it's been absolutely a pleasure having done this and seeing that, you know, you enjoy the benefit of it over these past years, and we're quite happy to help conquer nature again.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you.